If you've ever looked at your numbers and thought to yourself, how am I working this hard and still not seeing the results that I want? Well, you're not alone. Dentists everywhere feel that same frustration. Not because they're doing anything wrong, but because no one ever prepared them for the part of dentistry that happens outside the operatory. You were trained to care for patients. You were not trained to manage payroll, overhead, debt, or financial strategy. But the truth is, the business behind your practice is what determines your freedom, your stress level, and your long-term success. And that is exactly what we are here to help you with. Most dentists who lose money are not bad clinicians. They simply never learn how to run the business. At Profi 2020 Dental CPAs, we see this every day. Amazing dentists providing excellent care who still feel lost when it comes to their numbers. So let's talk about the biggest financial mistakes we see and what you can do to avoid them. The first one is planning. Too many dentists only look at their finances at tax time, but by then, it's too late to fix problems or take advantage of opportunities. Planning is not something you should do just once a year. It's something that should guide every major decision in your practice. The next piece is accurate dental-specific data. Generic bookkeeping just does not work in dentistry. If your numbers do not reflect hygiene production, payer mix, associate compensation, or adjustments, then you cannot make good decisions. When your books are built for dentistry, you get real clarity, and clarity leads to better, more profitable choices. Another important area is understanding what your practice is worth. For most dentists, your practice is your biggest asset. Regular valuations help you plan ahead whether you want to grow, add a partner, or prepare for the future. And even if your systems are strong, the right guidance still matters. Dentistry has unique tax strategies, cost structures, and performance metrics. Not every advisor understands that. You need someone who works in your world every day. Debt is another area where money slips through the cracks. Debt itself is not the problem. The problem is when it's not managed well. With the right strategy, debt can protect your cash flow and help you grow instead of holding you back. And finally, remember this: more production does not automatically mean more profit. Collections can be high, but if overhead is out of control, the profit disappears. The goal is efficiency, smart systems, and a clear understanding of the numbers that truly drive your business. At Profi 2020 Dental CPAs, we help dentists turn financial confusion into clarity by building proactive systems, better planning, accurate data, and long-term strategies that are designed specifically for dental practices. If this helped you think differently about the business side of dentistry, hit that subscribe button for more insights on profitability, growth, and long-term financial confidence in your practice. Thanks for watching. If you find this information valuable, please be sure to check out our YouTube channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with any of your dental colleagues because we're making better businesses in dentistry every day.